I like that Minnie's looking in the mirror. Hi guys, it's Haley. Recently my boyfriend and I went on a little treasure hunt for Disney related merch, so I thought that I would put some of those clips in here and I will show you what we came up with. I got a couple of shirts. One was not Disney. I think it was buy one get one half off. So I also got this cute WandaVision crop. I'm very excited about it. I am obsessed with WandaVision. I've seen it multiple times. I can't get enough. I was very excited to finally get my hands on some WandaVision merch because it's hard to find where I live. So cute WandaVision crop. Also from Hot Topic, my boyfriend picked up this bag for me for my birthday present. It's Winnie the Pooh and I love it so much. It's so cute. It's Loungefly, of course, because y'all know I'm trash for Loungefly. So it's got Pooh Bear, and I love this little, the zipper's got a little bee charm on it, and it looks like he's looking up at the bee. I love bees. And then you have my boy Eeyore, who I love because he's, you know, depresso, just like me. And then Piglet. It's got like my 3 favorite Winnie the Pooh characters on it, which is amazing. And I love that the straps are blue. I just love it. It's so cute. So, well, we were at Hot Topic. My boyfriend also spoiled me, obviously. He also picked me up these cute Totoro earrings. I know it's technically not Disney, but they did work together at one point. So, I'm including it. They're all mixed match earrings, which I think is super fun and unique. I can't wait to start showing them off. I'm just so excited. They're just so cute. I love the little Sid Sprite and the baby Totoro and the Kappas, and oh, it's so cute. Because like you can have one dangly hoop earring and then one stud, or you can have mixed match. It's just so cute. So many options. I cannot wait to show them off everywhere. After that, we went into Miniso, which I think is supposed to be like the Canadian version of Daiso. So that's like kind of like a Japanese dollar store kind of thing. But they have a Marvel line. So I got this Thor, I think it's like a tea towel. I think it's like a tea towel. It's got little Thor on it. He's adorable. They have so much cute Avengers stuff or Marvel stuff. This is actually for free. After you spend a certain amount of money, you have to get something for free. So I picked this one out, and then I got my Captain Marvel pen. She's got a little charm. She's so angry and sassy. I don't know why, but I'm like obsessed with her. I walked around for the rest of our shopping trip just playing with her because she's so cute. I think it was like $1 or something. It's really cheap, really cute. Definitely check out Miniso if you have a Miniso for Avengers stuff. So they got some really cute, cheap stuff, worth it. On the same shopping trip, we went to Sunrise Records, which is kind of like HMV, but those don't exist anymore. So I got this very pretty Pocahontas soundtrack. I don't actually own it anymore, like on hard copy. I did have it when it originally came out, but that was obviously a long time ago, and yeah, it's my mom's technically, so I'm glad to have this one. The artwork is so beautiful, and it's got Nico on it. I love it so much. I'm so excited about it. I'm gonna put it up on my Disney shelf. in the mall we went to, there was a bunch of like candy stores and stuff, and I found these. It's basically like, I think they're called Hello Panda, where it's cookie and then it's got like chocolate on the inside. These were so fun. I of course just got it for the packaging, but the actual cookies do have the characters on them. And I had to because it has Monsters Inc. on it, and it's my comfort film. So yeah, these were really fun. I can't tell. Oh, it says that it's officially Disney. I don't know, but I don't know where you could find these. It was just kind of a luck thing. They had these ones and a straight Toy Story set, I believe. But I wanted the Pixar ones because I wanted Sully. They were so good. And then they had, like, even the inside packaging was cute. Like, look at Buzz and Woody and Jessie and Mike and Sully and Boo and Nemo. It's just so cute. So cute. Okay, so this was from a different shopping trip. These are from 2 different shopping trips, actually. So Hallmark has started selling freaking Disney Squishmallows. And obviously I needed them. So I got birthday money and I got this one. I got my fat boy Donald. He's so squishy. And then Adam got me Winnie the Pooh. And they're so comfy and cute. I have a problem. I was doing pretty good with not buying every Squishmallow that I saw. I only had the Halloween ones for the most part. And then I got a tiny baby lamp, which is fine because it's little. But guys, I can't say no to Disney Squishmallows. Look at them. Look at his little ducky face. So obviously I had to get these boys. Definitely would recommend. Like I said, I picked them up from Hallmark. I'm not sure where else you could find them. But yes, they had a lot. They had Stitch as well, and Minnie and Mickey. But yes, these, I love them. On a completely separate shopping trip from the rest of those ones, we went to a store called Toy Traders, and essentially it's just got a bunch of toys, collectibles, all of that stuff. They have an entire wall of pop figures, and I picked up these ones from the Haunted Mansion. I'm not very big on collecting pops, but Haunted Mansion is my favorite ride at Disneyland. So anytime I'm around, anytime I can find Haunted Mansion merch anywhere, I have to get it, especially living in Canada because it's not very common. So I got the opera singer, and she's singing her little heart out. It's so cute. And then I got the mummy, who's just vibing with their little drink there. It's so cute. They didn't have the Leota or the Constance Hatchaway, which is sad, but that's okay. These are great starts to my collection of them. I already have a couple Madame Leota things, so I will be putting those together. That is my little shopping adventure slash Disney hunting slash haul. I hope you guys enjoyed. It's getting harder and harder to find Disney merch in Canada. I think because of a lot of the licensing fees, and of course the Disney stores are now closing, and those are also fairly far away. If you guys have any ideas on where I could find more Disney merch, please let me know. Anything would be great. Like even like Miniso, I wasn't expecting them to have Marvel related things there, so that was really cool. And like Hallmark, you wouldn't necessarily think they would have freaking giant Squishmallows. So yeah, if there's like a unique place that you like to go to get your Disney merch, please let me know in the comments. I hope you like this one. Thank you so much for watching. Hopefully I will be back with some more Disney content in the future. Thank you for watching. If you want to give it a like and a subscribe, I would love you forever. I can't wait to share more of my magical adventures with you. Bye guys. They're doing a little thumbs up.